Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to take up one very interesting question from radical expressions. Here we are going to evaluate 6th root of 5 root 5 minus 11 over root 5 plus 1. So let's get started by considering given expression equal to e first. Now I will consider rationalization of denominator. So I need to multiply our numerator and denominator by denominator's conjugate. So conjugate of root 5 plus 1 is root 5 minus 1. Now in denominator we are getting a plus b times a minus b form. So we can use difference of two squares formula, which is a square minus b square. So I can write expression e equal to 6th root of, let's multiply both the brackets, 5 root 5 times root 5, I will write 25. 5 root 5 minus 1, I will write minus 5 root 5. Minus 11 times root 5, minus 11 root 5. Minus 11 times minus 1 will give us plus 11 over. Denominator will be square root 5 whole square minus 1 square. This will be equal to 25 plus 11 is 36. Minus 5 root 5 minus 11 root 5 will give us minus 16 root 5 over 5 minus 1, which is 4, and power I will write 1 over 6, or we can write 9 minus 4 square root 5, and power will be 1 over 6. Let me write expression e equal to 9 minus 4 square root 5 with power 1 over 6. Now we know that 1 over 6 we can write as 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. Once we will take LCM, we will get 3 minus 2 over 6, which is 1 over 6. So exponent place we can write 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. 9 minus 4 root 5, and power will be 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. Now we know that the exponent law a power b minus c, this can be written as a power b over a power c. So I can write our expression. This will be 9 minus 4 root 5. Power will be half over 9 minus 4 root 5. Power will be 1/3. Or I can write expression e will be equal to 9 minus 4 root 5 with a square root over cube root of the same radicand 9 minus 4 square root 5. Now I will call numerator equal to a and denominator equal to b. So we have to simplify or evaluate a and b separately. I will begin with a. A is square root of 9 minus 4 square root 5. Now I can write 9 as 5 plus 4, and then we have minus 4 root 5. So 5 is the square of square root 5. I can write root 5 whole square is 5 plus 4 is 2 square minus 4 root 5. I can factor as 2 times root 5 times 2. Now you can see in radicand this is a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. So we can write here, this is a minus b whole square. So our a will become the square root of root 5 minus 2 whole square. Now we can cancel a square root with a square. So our a will come out square root 5 minus 2. This is the value of a. Now we will simplify or calculate b. So I will write b equal to cube root of 9 minus 4 square root 5. I will use Simon's favorite factoring trick. But before that I need to remove cube root. So I need to consider cubing both sides. Now this cube root and cube will be over from RHS. We will get b cube equal to 9 minus 4 square root 5. Now I'll multiply both sides by 8. So I can write 8b cube equal to 8 times 9 72 minus 8 times 4 32 square root 5. Now I need to split 72 and 32 root 5 in such a way that we will get after that a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube formula. So because of we have minus sign in between, we will try to write a minus b whole cube formula. So in that form I have to maintain our RHS. I will write 72 as 45 plus 27. And I will split minus 32 root 5 as minus 27 root 5 minus 5 root 5. Now I will rearrange our terms or numbers. So I can write 27 first. Then I will write minus 5 root 5. Then I will be writing minus 27 root 5. And then I will write 45. Now you can see 27 can be written as 3 cube. 5 root 5 is root 5 whole cube. So a cube minus b cube is done. Now this term will be minus 3a square b. Let's check 3 times a square. A is 3. So 3 square. B is root 5. Yes, it is matching. 3 times 3 square is 27 times root 5. So this is 3a b square. I will write 3. A is 3. B square is root 5 square. So 9 times 5 is 45. So in RHS I can write this is 3 minus root 5 whole cube. In LHS it is 8b cube. I will write this equation here, 8b cube equal to 3 minus root 5 whole cube. Now we will consider cube root both sides. So before that I should write LHS as 2b whole cube. RHS is 3 minus root 5 whole cube. Now for real value of b, I will consider cube root both sides. We will get 2b equal to 3 minus square root 5. Or I can get b equal to 3 minus square root 5 over 2. So we have b 3 minus root 5 over 2 and a was root 5 minus 2. Now we have to calculate a over b, which is our required expression. So I will write expression e equal to a over b. A was root 5 minus 2 and b is 3 minus root 5 over 2. Or we can write 2 times root 5 minus 2 over 3 minus root 5. Now we can rationalize our denominator by multiplying denominator and numerator by 3 plus root 5. Let's multiply both the brackets. In the numerator we will get 3 root 5 minus 2 root 5. Root 5 minus 6 plus 5 minus 1 over denominator is having a plus b times a minus b form. So I can write 3 square minus root 5 square in the denominator. So numerator is 2 times root 5 minus 1 and denominator is 9 minus 5. So we can write expression E will be 2 times root 5 minus 1 over 4. Now 2 and 4 will be cancelled out. Denominator will be 2 now. So our final answer becomes square root 5 minus 1 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Bye bye. Take care.